So, you want to make money online, but you have zero money and you don't want to invest anything? Well, guess what? I've got you covered. Let's get started. So, I'm gonna share two tips with you today. One of them is 100% free, and the other one costs just a little bit of money. And both of these actually work 100%. A ton of people are making money with these two ways. So, do you know Uber? Do you know Facebook? Do you know Airbnb? All of these have one thing in common, and I've talked about this in another video, so bear with me if you're hearing this over and over again. But Airbnb is the biggest accommodation provider, yet they have no real estate. Uber is the largest taxi company, yet they own no cars. Facebook is the biggest media company ever, yet they create no content. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this because we can use these concepts and make money ourselves. We can learn from these people and recreate kind of what they're doing. And that's using the power of affiliate marketing. Have you heard about Amazon? Have you heard about Apple, Sony? All of these companies are massive. And they have one thing in common as well, is that they have an affiliate program. And I just talked about these, but pretty much every company is like that, and they have an affiliate program. And they will give you the money if you point people in their direction. That's amazing. Think about it. It's just like if someone came up to you and they asked you where they could buy some flowers, and you just sent them to a place where they could buy you flowers, and the person selling flowers, they would give you a commission. Well, that's exactly what these companies are doing, except that it's on the internet, so it's slightly different, but that's the way it actually works. And you can sign up to these websites and make money. Most of the time it's 100% free, so you don't have to do anything. And it's very rare that people actually make you pay to sign up to their affiliate program. And if they do, it's probably a scam. Sometimes you do have to be enrolled in certain programs to be part of their affiliate program, like courses, for example. But for companies like I just talked about, that's not the case. You just go to their website and you can sign up to their affiliate program for free. So now, how do you direct people to that place where you can make money? The first way is to build a website. Have you heard about the Wirecutter.com? If you haven't, don't worry, it's not a crime. However, this is one of the best examples that I have where this person created this website with different products in different categories. They have drones, they have tech products, they have all sorts of different things, and you can go to that website and you can look for yourself, thewirecutter.com. And what they do is they have affiliate links to different companies. So if you're looking for a drone, they have an article where they have the best drones that you can buy, and they'll have different articles on different drones telling you why you should buy this one or why you should buy that one. And there's a button that says you can buy this from Amazon, you can buy this from X place, you can buy that from Y place. And you have usually, I think it's 3 different places where you can buy, but this may vary. I haven't spent that much time on that website. But if you click on one of these buttons and you buy something, they will get a commission from it. And that website got bigger and bigger to the point that that person was making a ton of money, but then he sold that company to the New York Times for, are you sitting down, $30 million. he got $30 million while still making some money. That's pretty insane. With $30 million, you can do pretty much anything that you want on earth. So that is one of the ways that people do this. That's a huge way, is to create a blog just like this person. It's a website with just like a blog with different categories, and you can do this for very cheap. And I'll link Bluehost in the description. It's a place where you can do exactly that. You create a website and you make some articles where you promote some products. So you make some articles, you tell people where they can buy that, you just help them out, and they get a commission from it. So if you're decent at writing, if you can write some stuff, make sure that you do this. This is so good, and you can make a ton of money. No, it's not an overnight thing. Just like any other business, if people are trying to sell you overnight success, then it's probably not working at all. But this is a great way where you can make money. So I'll link Bluehost in the description. It's the easiest way where you can make a website like this started. And you just have to follow the steps, what they say, and in no time you'll have a website going on where you can generate some income. And in a few hours, you could be making your first commission. So this is one thing. This is the first way that does cost you a little bit of money, but it's very, very cheap. So just check it out. If you don't like it, don't worry, but this is one of the best ways where you can make money, especially if you don't want to show your face. So you want to make sure that you're in a niche and you find a product that people actually want. So if you're trying to sell drones and put that in front of people that are just trying to do cooking, it won't work. And the key isn't to have more and more people getting onto your website. It's to have the right people on your website. So if you're running ads, for example, make sure that you run the ads to the right people and just don't go broad where people can find you if they're not interested at all, because you could have 1 million people going to your website and nobody would be interested in buying anything. So find a product that people actually want and put that in front of a targeted audience. So how do you do that? You provide valuable content on a regular basis. So just like the Wirecutter.com, you can build a blog and you can do this. The other way to do this is to build a YouTube channel, just like I'm doing right now. I'm building a YouTube channel around helping people how to make money online. So hopefully you gain some value and you do subscribe, but that's not the point. I'm giving you valuable content to help you out and reach as many people as possible. I may have some affiliate links, just like Bluehost, for example. This is an affiliate link. And that way I can make some money. But you can do the same exact thing in your niche, no matter if you're into cooking, into flying drones, cameras, tech, and you name it, there's a good chance that you can make money off that. So one of the best ways to do this, apart from just having an affiliate link, is building an email list. And I talked about this in yesterday's video. Hopefully it was yesterday's video because I'm filming this video the same day. But you give something away for free. So for example, an ebook. You're helping out people. You give them an ebook for free, but you have them enter their email. That way you're creating an email list. And again, I'll try to not forget to give you a link of a service provider that we can actually do this. So you send people offers by email, helping them out. But helping them out usually has some paid things that you have to do. So you just send them some affiliate links with a text helping them out, saying why it would help them out, and people would buy from that email list. And this is awesome. because one, you're making money from it, so you're really happy. Second, they buy something that they really enjoy, that will help them out a ton, so they're happy. And three, the company that they're buying from is happy as well because they're making some money. So all three people are happy, and that's the best way that you can do this, because you can rinse and repeat. And if you do this properly, everyone will stay happy and continue buying from you, and you will make some more money. So that was today's video. I hope you really found some value. Make sure that you do subscribe to my channel if you did find any. I would really like to hear any of your comments, so let me know what you think of that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.